I always saying, keep pushing the bar, keep pushing the bar. I wish I had better words to share with people why is it that we're changing the industry, why we believe we're changing the industry. This industry is being so conservative for so long, and I'm not saying it's wrong or it's bad. I'm just saying that to be able to rescue the industry, to be able to bring new people into the industry and keep it alive, and not just make it big corporation. We always got to be inventing. We bought an old Pepsi refrigerator. We retrofitted the humidor, the ultrasonic humidifier, and now we don't have to be manipulating the wrappers. We don't have to be wetting the wrapper. Now it's ultrasonic humidity what is getting the wrappers ready. It goes on and off. We have it at 92% of humidity. So it goes on and off, on and off. Tomorrow when we come back, those wrappers gonna be perfect, perfect, perfect. That's what I'm saying by raising the bar and changing the industry. Inventory has been going down. We are at 87,000. So we went from 104,000 to 87,000 pretty quick. A new cigar roller is coming this week. We already test him. We already give him a chance. He needs a little bit of training, but he will be okay. Humidity, ultrasonic humidity. Amazing. Bye-bye.